Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan. In this video, I'll be talking about wireless premium mechanical keyboard from the brand Zebronics. It's called ZEB-MAX NINJA. So let's get started. This is ZEB-MAX NINJA from the brand Zebronics, and it comes in two color options. One is entirely black, the other one is entirely white, and of course I have white with me. It looks really stylish and very beautiful. Now if I talk about some features that are mentioned on the box, they are, you also get this N keys rollover. That means using the keyboard is very smooth and very easy. If I talk about the 21 backlit LED modes, which can be allotted to each key. So even while you're using this keyboard in a dark place or at night, you won't face any problem. Now if I talk about its design, it's 60% compact design. So unlike a regular keyboard which comes in a huge size, this one is compact, so it can be used on your desktop, even on the bed if you're using it. You can easily connect this with your phone, with your tablet, whichever device you want to connect. It will not occupy more space on your table. Other features, it has this RGB LED. That means you get this red, green and blue light while using this keyboard. It gives a very cool effect to your keyboard, especially while playing games, and if you have like teenage kids who are using it, they'll really enjoy the experience. And of course it helps you playing better in a dark place or at night. You also have this option of Bluetooth. So it is a wireless keyboard. You can connect this with your phone, with your tablet via Bluetooth, and you also get this 2.4 GHz nano receiver, and then you can connect this for a low latency gaming experience. That option is also there. Now you get this up to 3 Bluetooth devices. You can connect this mechanical keyboard. You also get the nano receiver. Other features are mentioned, like the colors are mentioned. You get 61 keys. It's heavy duty. It's got a built-in rechargeable battery, and you get 5 brightness levels. All these things are mentioned. You can take a look over here on this mechanical keyboard, and yes, it's heavy duty. It's quite heavy and it shows the quality it has. I like the fact that it's nice full white in color and everything is mentioned in grey. And if I turn this around, you get this rubberized effect on all the 4 sides, so it remains stable at one place. It doesn't move much on your desktop. So all in all, it's a great mechanical keyboard. It's a heavy duty one. You get 61 keys, you get the nano receiver, you have the option of charging it, and you also get a user manual inside the box. This was it about ZEB-MAX NINJA. It's a wireless premium mechanical keyboard. I hope you enjoyed watching this. Stay tuned in for more.